Is your 2022-2024 Toyota Tundra key fob not working? Seeing a remote not working message? The most common culprit is a dead battery. This video guides you through diagnosing and fixing this issue. First, confirm the problem isn't just interference. If the problem persists, it's likely the CR2032 battery inside the fob. A loose or open case can also cause problems by draining the battery or preventing a good connection. A new CR2032 battery is the primary solution, fixing 85 to 90% of cases. Ignoring this can be inconvenient and lead to professional replacements costing 100 plus. Start by carefully prying open the key fob case using a small coin or screwdriver. Work along the seam to avoid damage. Note the battery's orientation with the positive side facing up, then carefully remove the old CR2032 battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up, ensuring proper alignment. Snap the case back together, ensuring it's completely sealed to prevent open case issues. Consider using tape for better grip and to avoid scratches. Test the key fob functionality. If issues persist, try repairing by cycling the ignition or accessing the vehicle's settings menu. Remember to dispose of the old battery responsibly. Avoid using rechargeable batteries, as they can cause corrosion or incompatibility.